Hello guys, welcome back to Invisible Chef Chami. Today I am going to make crunchy bun. Let's begin. Ingredients you will need: eggs, flour, butter, milk, water, salt. For the topping, sugar, Rice Krispies. Take a pot and heat it over low-medium heat. Add milk, water and butter. Cook until the temperature reach 80 Celsius. Then turn off the heat, add salt and mix well. Now add the flour and mix vigorously until the dough comes together. Continue stirring for about 2 minutes to remove excess moisture. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes before adding eggs. Cool, add eggs one by one, mixing thoroughly each time. The texture should be smooth and glossy. If the dough holds its shapes but still falls gently off a spoon, it's ready. Cook the mixture over low heat for another minute to stabilize it. Transfer the choux pastry to a piping bag, let it cool completely before sealing, as trapping heat can create condensation and ruin the texture. Place in the chiller for at least 30 minutes before use. Now let's make pastry cream. Ingredients you will need: milk, sugar, butter, egg yolks, cornstarch, vanilla pods. Take a pot and warm the milk, set it aside. In a bowl, whisk egg yolks and sugar until pale. If using a hand whisk, beat quickly in circular motion to incorporate air. Once pale, add cornstarch and mix well. Gradually pour in half of the warm milk while whisking to temper the eggs. Cut the vanilla pot and scrape out the seeds. Add the pot to the milk to infuse the flavor. Pour the egg mixture into the remaining warm milk and cook over medium heat. Whisking constantly to prevent lumps, cook until thickened. Then add butter and vanilla, mix until it's smooth. Transfer to a piping bag, let it cool to room temperature. Then keep in chiller. Preheat the oven to 185 Celsius. Take the chilled choux pastry and pipe onto a baking mat, leaving a space between each bun. Dip a spoon in hot water and gently smooth the tops without pressing too much. Sprinkle each bun with sugar and Rice Krispies. Bake at 185 Celsius for 15 minutes, then reduce to 170 Celsius and bake for another 15 minutes. Once done, turn off the oven and leave the door slightly open for 3 to 4 minutes to prevent the sudden temperature changes, which can cause collapse. Once the buns are cool and crispy, make a small hole in the middle. Fill each bun with the chilled pastry cream. There you have it, perfect crunchy buns. Crispy, creamy and absolutely delicious. Try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing recipe. See you in the next video.